Chris from INFICON.
And I'm Ryan from Final Phase Systems.
We'd like to show you today our joint demonstration of the integration between FabGuard
and dashboard and scheduling.
Okay, so what we have here is our FabGuard integrated process monitor, monitoring a chamber. In this case, it's one of our UL 3000 leak detectors. And we're pulling in the pressure from the leak detector as indicative of a vacuum chamber that we want to make sure is under vacuum when we want to process.
And what we have here is this CVD T030 representing the chamber that the UL 3000 is emulating. And when this leak happens, this tool will go down, we will reschedule WIP, and the downstream tool, depth T088, will then have no WIP, so we will put the pump into an idle state once we reschedule the WIP.
Let's go ahead and induce a leak. Oh no, something's happened. FabGuard has detected in real time an alarm and sent that alarm information to the dashboard.
The dashboard has already rescheduled the WIP with the tool being down, and the future tool has also rescheduled the WIP. You can see here that the pump is down on the dashboard, on the scheduler, and from our light indicator that the pump is in an idle state. Now we're going to recover the pump.
You can see here in real time we have the pressure coming back down to where it needs to be. And once we clear this run, we'll have a chamber that's back in a green state.
While that's back in a green state, we'll know that the tool has been recovered, and we'll reschedule the WIP. Which then tells the downstream tool that there's WIP that will be coming. Restarting the pump. We now have a green pump that's up and running.